Aandiki Mauvoo nimendeka kukwatiania na kutetheanisya na eene ianda kivathukanio nthini wa kukitana na syiko sya kimivae na syiko ingi sya kunyamaaw'a kimwii ovamwe na kulumya kimbithi na kuatiia mituo miseo ya utangaasi vate kweekea ngaliko imwe yila mekuandika Mauvoo makwanite aki sya mwene nthi unikwianana na nzama ya makanisa va Kenya NCCK nthini wa kisomo kimwanya kwiandiki Mauvoo kauntini ya Embu. Minista muvyani wa Mivae kauntini Jane Waroga nake ni waweta kana syiko sya kunyamaaw'a kimivae tasithitwe iyulu na bena vata wa Aandiki Mauvoo kutetheanisya kukitana na syiko Ben Mosau nilivota witu.
Zama ya makanisa va Kenya NCCK ni yamenda Aandiki Mauvoo kutetheanisya kana kukitana na syiko sya kithio ila siute na haki sya eene nthi sivonzaiko ya eitu kauwa kimisi kuvukwa ovamwe na syiko sya kunyamaaw'a kimwe.
We saw the need to bring them together so that we can have a discussion and a training on gender sensitive reporting and also to empower them. We know that they work professionally, but there is also need to always sharpen the skills on how to report cases on gender-based violence professionally. And now we had a very elaborate session to discuss and to train and have a capacity building forum on gender-sensitive reporting, doing the work more professionally in terms of being very sensitive when sharing the cases of gender-based violence without victimizing the survivors of these vices.
We must work together to harness synergy with other partners, with other stakeholders for us to be able to eradicate or to bring these vices to some level that we can say that we've done it.
Minister muvyani wa Mivae kauntini ya Embu Jane Waroga eweta syiko sya kunyamaaw'a kimivae tasithitwe syi iyulu na vena vata wa Aandiki Mauvoo kukwatiania na eene ianda kivathukanio ni kana kukitana na syiko ithi.
We've had reports, though we may not be able to quote the numbers, we've had reports that GBV cases are on the rise in Embu, teenage pregnancies, and that is very worrying. It's a worrying trend, and we must make, as a government, we must make deliberate effort to come up with programs that sensitize and create awareness to our men and women so that we are able to curb these vices.
Aandiki meweta kauyu tawithitwo kiemela ni kwitha eene nthi methitwo maivitha syiko ithi ila sya mekumbila.
Na ningelipenda kusema kwamba changamoto ambayo tumekuwa nayo kama waandishi wa habari ni wananchi kuwa wanaficha habari ambazo zinahusiana na maneno ya wale ambao wameweza kudhulumiwa kijinsia kule katika maeneo ya mashinani. Kwa hivyo sisi ni kuwaambia tu waweze kutujulisha na sisi tutaweza kushirikiana na wao ili kuweza kushughulikia habari ambazo zinahusiana na kudhulumiwa kwa wananchi katika maneno yanayohusiana na jinsia.
Kilivotea vilingi wa Mauvoo Mtongoi TV, nye nitawa Ben Mosau.